Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? So, I had a hidden giveaway on week 10 of hashtag 30 weeks of PL, as in pocket letter. And I had a question in the video, what did you do this summer? I had 2 comments and neither one of them answered what they did this summer. And nobody else commented. So I will not be drawing a winner. What you could have won was the planner stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I always throw in other stuff, so you kind of lost out. So I would maybe watch to the end or the middle, because I may have hidden giveaways in the videos, in my pocket letter videos in the future. There's a lot of weeks left till the end of the year. Like I said, we're only on week 11, so I won't be having a winner this time. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.